You cannot sell your house when your spouse passes away unless you have gone through the probate process. So when you both are alive and you co-own that property together, you own that property 50-50. And when one of you passes away, your half of the property will be inside of your estate when you've passed away. And the only way to get that property out of the estate is to go through the probate process. So if you want to be able to sell that property, you have to probate that estate, get their half of the property out of the estate and into your name. Once you have full ownership of that property, then you can sell that property. But when you go to sell the property and you have not done the probate process, what's going to happen is the property will go to the title company. They will pull title and all the information related to it. And they will say, hey, this individual who's alive, who's trying to sell this property, they only own half of this property. And I see it, their deceased spouse, their estate owns the other half of that property. So what they're going to have to do is go through the probate process before they can get the property in their personal name and sold. And so what that is going to do is the probate process can take up to a year. So if you're trying to close the property within the next month, likely not going to happen. So it's a very good idea that when someone passes away, you go ahead and do the probate process. Even though it's rough, go ahead and get it over with. That way you get all the assets out of the estate and you can distribute those assets out to the beneficiaries and figure out how to handle them on the back end.